Hello YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. Well, I'm going to try something slightly different this week. So I'm going to attempt to, well, won't attempt, I'll show you how I make some of my lock picks, or chop picks as I call them, and as an update to my channel at the end. So please watch it all the way through and I'll tell you what's happening. Right, so that's the intro out of the way. These are the chop picks that I've been making. It's all different sorts there. The only thing I don't think I got is a city rake, but I don't use that much anyway. I start by using a normal size chop pick and I cut it down to about this size. I cut it up the end, put my blade in, which is made out of this stuff, carve my end whatever I want, whether it's a hook or a bow guitar style, and then what happens is I'm left with all these, which is the other ends, and just messing about I found, just bear with me a minute, that by using the ends, doing exactly the same thing, cutting down, putting my blade in, using Gorilla Glue, good stuff this is, what happens is it all bubbles up, so I just trim that off, put a sleeve over, put some heat on it, and there you have a pick. Pretty good, and I'll just show you the concept of it working, and you watch, it won't bloody work this time, but anyway, we'll give it a go. It's a bit awkward because I'm looking down over it, so this has got a couple of mushroom pins in it. Yeah, as I thought, it's gonna just be different because the video's on. There you go. So that's just the concept of it working. Right, the other thing I wanted to do is just to give you an update on what's happening with my channel. At the moment, with all what's going on, I'm pretty stuffed at the moment. I'm well, but for how long I don't know. I won't mention too much about it because YouTube don't like you mention that word. But I have COPD, so that's one strike. I'm diabetic, that's two strikes, and I'm taking these injections. I suffer from AS, which is ankylosing spondylitis, I think it's called. It's like a calcium build up on my spine, and I've got arthritis as well, so this does the two. And by taking this, it lowers my immune system, so that's strike three. I can't go out. I've been locked up for 4 or 5 weeks at the moment. As it happens, I don't go out a lot, so I'm pretty happy being indoors. But I'm very susceptible to catching colds and whatnot, so it just reminds me I've got to take that today. Yeah, so that's about it. So I'm going to put me giveaway for the 300. I'm going to put that on hold for a little while because, to be honest, and not being rotten or anything, I've got a lot on my plate, and it's the bottom of the list at the moment. I'm struggling to do content at the moment. I've ordered stuff from China, and I'm not going to get that for a long time. So that was part of my content idea. I can do some more of these, but once I show you how they're made, that's it, you know. How many times can you skin a cat? Yeah, is that right? I don't know. Anyway, just to let you know, at the moment I'm okay, but for how long I don't know. So I'm self-isolated, I'm in lockdown, and I'm stuffed. So thanks for watching. Give me some likes if you don't mind, because it helps promote me. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.